3 years ago, I met someone who told me something I still can't forget. He looked at me and said, "I thought I had more time." He wasn't talking about his health. He wasn't talking about family. He was talking about investing. For years, he believed he would start next month. Then next month became next year. Before he knew it, nearly a decade had passed. The money he could have invested was spent on little things he barely remembered, but the wealth he could have built never had the chance to exist. That conversation changed how I think about money. Most people believe the biggest risk is losing money in the stock market. In reality, one of the greatest risks is never investing at all. The emotional cost of waiting quietly compounds, just like money does. Every year you delay isn't just another year. It's another year your future self loses the opportunity to benefit from compound interest and long-term growth. If you're searching for how to invest in stocks as a beginner, you're already ahead of millions of people. The hardest part isn't finding the perfect stock. It's overcoming the fear that tells you to wait until you know everything. Here's the truth most people don't realize. You don't wake up one morning regretting that you didn't buy a particular stock. You wake up realizing you lost years you can never get back. Imagine reaching retirement and calculating what even a small monthly investment could have become. Imagine seeing friends who started with less money but simply started earlier. That's not just a financial loss, it's an emotional one. Regret has a way of asking painful questions. What if I had started 5 years ago? What if I had trusted the process instead of my fears? The stock market rewards patience more often than perfection. Beginner investing isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about building habits that slowly transform your future. Every contribution, no matter how small, is a vote for the life you want to live years from now. Many people think successful investors are fearless. They're not. They simply learned that fear should not make financial decisions. They understand that investing psychology matters just as much as choosing good investments. They know consistency beats excitement, and discipline often outperforms brilliance. Think about your future family. Think about the dreams you've quietly postponed. Maybe it's owning a home, traveling with financial stress, retiring with dignity, or giving your children opportunities you never had. Every month you delay investing pushes those dreams a little farther away. The beautiful part is that your story doesn't have to end with regret. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need to predict tomorrow's market. You simply need the courage to take the first step and the patience to keep taking the next one. Financial freedom rarely belongs to those who waited until they felt ready. It usually belongs to ordinary people who decided that small, consistent actions were more powerful than endless hesitation. So if you've been wondering how to invest in stocks as a beginner, don't let today become another memory you'll wish you had changed. Your future wealth isn't built by one extraordinary decision. It's built by ordinary decisions repeated over and over again. Because years from now, you'll either remember the day you finally started, or you'll remember another day you told yourself, "I'll begin later." Choose the story you'll be proud to tell.